Ladies and gentlemen, it's official. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case has officially been closed.
We are happy to announce to the world that the prosecution has finally closed their case today,
with release and freedom in sight. Okay guys, during the court proceeding today, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu arrived court in high spirit as he was seen, looking really bright as usual as he greeted all his lawyers that has been on ground. He greeted some of his family members that was there as he greeted everyone. He was seen on high spirit as he was seen with smile in his face. The man has been through a lot, but every day, whenever he's in court, he comes with high spirits. I think the government and all of these people have tried to break the man, but unfortunately, they cannot. The man, anytime he arrives at court, he always seen smiling as he was seen in high spirit today. His lawyer, after the court proceeding today, said that the case has officially been closed after all the whole witnesses has been heard. And on the 18th of July, the final judgment will be passed. And according to him, he said they had massive breakthrough in the case today after they caught a whole lot of discrepancies in the report by the federal government. He also said that the federal government tried to accuse and said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was the cause of the EndSARS protest, and they said that he instigated the violence and everything that happened during the EndSARS, in which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer also said they were able that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu had no hand in the EndSARS protest. Okay guys, I'll be sharing with you how the whole court proceeding went down today and also what the lawyers had to say after the court proceeding. Like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Oh, sorry, 19th of June 2025, sorry. We are happy to announce to the world that the prosecution has finally closed their case today with their last witness, PW5, known as EEE. He came and tendered reports of the EndSARS, and in the course of the reporting, he alleged that it was the statements made by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that instigated the damages during the EndSARS. And he was subjected to a thorough cross-examination by the defense team under Mazi Bazu. And as God will have it, we are happy to announce to you that so many things went wrong with his report, including the fact that not even the signature of the chairman or the name of the chairman or the secretary of the report of the committee he claimed to represent was found in the entire report. We are happy to announce to all lovers of freedom that the matter has been adjourned to the 18th of July 2025 for a no case submission. In other words, to tell the court and to show to the court that the prosecution merely wasted 10 years of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's life by arresting and detaining him for no just cause. So we are happy. We have very short time within which to work. We are going to utilize that very short time and make sure we deliver on our mandate. And our mandate is to provide sufficient defense for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you and God bless.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes. Well, I am very excited to be here as always, even though, as usual, the DSS prevented me from entering the courtroom. But I'm a living witness to history. The first time Mazi was abducted from Kenya and brought here, I was in court to warn them that, in fact, I was one of the few people that came here as soon as they did their kangaroo arraignment, that this case is not going anywhere, and that there's no way, it doesn't matter how long it takes, it's going to end up the way it started, as nothing, and it will end up as nothing, because there's nothing that can stand up on nothing. The foundation of this was malice. It was a suppression of a section of Nigerian people and a violation of the fundamental right of a Nigerian British citizen who was abducted from another country, brought here without due process and detained indefinitely, even presented from having open and fair trial, which we have seen all over the time. As a matter of fact, today we already had an altercation with the DSS preventing people from moving around here. But you know, they started by blocking everywhere. Now they are tired, they can't even block half of the road because you cannot stop an idea whose time has come. And this is what we want them. And I'm glad that they are reaching the dead end that we have predicted. The dead end is that there will be no case submission. In fact, I would have an issue with the lawyers if I were to be involved, because there's no need to even file a no case submission in a case that never existed in the first place. But you have to do your own legal work. And let me use this opportunity to also appreciate all the lawyers and all the people who have stood in solidarity with Nnamdi Kanu. I've said it that if I'm the last person that will stand with him, I will stand with him. Now, mine is not political. In fact, the most unpopular political decision to take in Nigeria is to stand with Nnamdi Kanu. So if you want to win an election, you know who to stand with, which is the federal government. But I'm not doing this to win an election. I'm doing it for the freedom of our people everywhere with my finances. And I believe that if Nigeria is going to become one, it has to be on the basis of justice. We cannot be suppressing a section just as the right to flourish and think that you can go home to rest. And you have seen it now. Even those people who never believed Nnamdi Kanu a few years ago, they have seen it with what the Fulani herdsmen are doing, killing hundreds of people. They are doing it also in the southeast. They killed in Ebonyi, they killed in Enugu, they are killing in Edo, they are killing in Kogi, they are killing people across the country. Imo, yes, there was some killing. So this was what Nnamdi Kanu told you as a prophet. But he has always told me, when I met him in New York, that he's not a prophet. He's just saying the reality of what the Nigerian project is all about. That it was a fake project put together and it can never materialize until there is justice. And this is what we keep advising them. The interesting thing was that there was even a time in 2019 that they charged me secretly with him. I filed a charge here that I connived with him to kill some policemen. So the case never came to trial. And it will never be. So we can't wait to see Nnamdi Kanu rejoin all of us.
All right, thank you.
I'm very certain that will happen. Sure. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter how long they do their case, which I never believed in that.
It's an independent case. It was able to find the confidential. You are facing it.
Whose office? The son's office. So what's the plan now?
They want to file a motion.
Processing aside of that judgment.
Proceedings. Judgment has been reserved. Then further processes.
Okay, okay.
It's not fair.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Fine, thank you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Mr. Maxwell. Good morning.
All of us is the winners. Only a man does not. And this justice. Just
Let me see. Let me see. Show me the name. This one going to
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
okay, yes.
People without going to jail and suffering for them. It's normal. But my primary concern is to stop insecurity. And it will stop. Once I come out, it will stop. And they know it. So those keeping me in detention are those that are either benefiting or profiting from this. That's all there is to it.